Oh, pardon me, I am a little vain. I'm just getting myself ready to teach you about primer. Okay, so here we go. Primer is the first building block in creating your canvas and the beginning of everything when it comes to great makeup. So guess what? It's time to prime. It's time to prime. It's time to prime. It's time to learn all about primer. What is primer? What does it do? How do I use it? Which one's right for me? So first of all, primer is a product that is designed specifically for your skin type. So say your skin lacks luster. Maybe it's a sign of aging, maybe you're on the drier side, maybe you just want that luminosity and glow that is like so popular right now and so beautiful. So you would want to choose refreshing primer. In fact, well, I'm not going to tell you my age, but I can tell you that I started my day with this primer. This right here, this is our best-selling product. Because the refreshing primer does quite a few things. It hydrates, it's a skincare product with liposomes that'll like infuse water into your skin so it has a plumping effect, a calming serum. I'm not done yet, I'm not even halfway done to everything this does. I could go on and on, but this right here is my best friend. So it has skincare qualities, but also it's a retexturizing cream. So what it's going to do is it's going to go and fill all those little fine lines, especially around the eyes, and the enlarged pores that are through the T-zone area. So that kind of like a Bondo with a car, like you get a dent in it, you put Bondo, you paint over, where's the dent? I don't know. Same kind of thing with refreshing primer. That's what we call it here. Bondo filler, because it goes in and it fills any little cracks, any little enlarged pores or deep places, and completely smooths out the skin. It also is filled with light reflective glow particles that fool the world. This product was the first product that I put on Hillary Clinton in the 2007 first presidential debate. It was the first step in the makeover. Everyone thought she had a facelift, but she didn't. She had this on. All right, so you're gonna retexturize. So when you put your makeup on, your face looks incredibly smoother. So light reflection is sort of my secret in all of my Create the Canvas products. What it does is there are light reflective particles from iron oxides that reflect light. And when that happens, it creates optical illusion. So you're gonna look brighter, you're gonna look smoother, you're gonna look more lifted. Heck, you might even look like you're on a new vitamin. So if you're wearing this on a day-to-day basis and you're walking around in everyday lighting, what you're gonna see is like a 50% improvement in the way that your skin looks with makeup on. If you're in a photo and hot lights like these are bouncing off your face, well, you're gonna look real good. This is oil-free, all skin types can use it, but you're gonna end up with a glow. So say shine bothers you. Say like halfway through your day, you're like looking in the mirror and you're like, oh my God, I'm such an oil slick and my makeup's not staying on. Then you would want an all-over primer called Sheer Pore-fection. I like can't. This is like an amazing mattifying primer, but I'm just a little hung up on what it's called. We call it Sheer Pore-fection. Sheer Pore-fection. That's Pore-fection. Pore-fection. So when you break that down, Pore-fection, I wonder if that's in the Urban Dictionary. Pore-fection means let's make those big pores, those like orange peel looking pores, disappear, please. Because that interferes with makeup. So when I'm going to do someone's makeup and I see enlarged pores, I reach for Sheer Pore-fection. So this is a mattifying primer. You're not gonna get the glow from it. In fact, you're gonna get the opposite. You're gonna get more of a matte, flat look. But if oil's a problem, that's gonna make you a very happy girl as your day goes on and your makeup stays on and you don't look shiny. We're looking for Sheer Pore-fection here. Now there's no color in this or anything. This is an under makeup primer that you're gonna put on before your foundation, and it's gonna give you a matte look all day. It's gonna help to control the oil, and I can guarantee you at the end of the day, your makeup is still gonna look stealth. But say you're just combination, and you just wanna spot treat high points here, and in through, say, the T-zone area, that's the only place that you shine, then you wanna use Mattifier. Mattifier is for spot treating before makeup. and then you just go and put your makeup on. You can actually combine these two products so you glow, but just target areas, so you could do 2 primers. TV people, if you're on TV, like I am right now, you definitely want the Kriss Cosmetics Mattifier. We have so many TV anchors using this all over the country, people that work for NBC, CNN, all of our local stations. This is what the first thing they put on. Get rid of the shine. Did you know that if your nose is shiny, it looks twice the size? Ooh. If your chin is shiny, it kind of looks a little pointy, like it darts out. So if you want your features to be right size, matte, and looking absolutely smooth all day, then spot treating with Mattifier is definitely what you want to do. Keep your features right size. So how do you use all of these? Well, first of all, refreshing primer. This comes in a jar and it looks kind of magical inside. It looks sort of like space cream or something, all right? And that's that magic light reflective glow that's in the product. So with this, don't stick your fingers in the product because there might be bacteria under your fingernails and you could contaminate your product. You want to just take it, dip in 1 dip, put it in the tip of your fingertips, and then massage it into both so that you have equal amounts for both sides. So the application process will come through the center part of your face, down the T-zone, up here, down here, under the eyes. This is almost going to create a light reflection prior to concealer. So you can kind of take it all over the face. You don't need to prime down in the neck, but if you have a little extra left, you could definitely take it down in this area. And you don't have to wait. You can just jump right into doing your next step in your makeup. So these 2 products, you take them just a little pump right from the container, and then either the mattifier in through just the hot spots, but the sheer Pore-fection, 1 pump all over just like the primer, and that'll make you shine free. So remember that all of your primers are actually a bridge between your skincare that you're doing and your makeup. And when you cross that bridge with primer, what happens is you can ensure that your makeup is going to look amazing, as well as your makeup is going to stay on all day long. So I hope you enjoyed listening on how to prime, and now you know exactly what product is right for you. Have fun shopping.